Now, you don't need to pay a dealership or even the oil change place $50 to $70 to change out your engine air filter. I'll show you how quickly and easily you can get this done yourself and save some money. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter on a 2013 Toyota RAV4. Now, this will be the same process for a few other models of Toyota as well, but the first thing we need to do is open the door here and pop the hood. And that's just this little lever down here. And then reach up underneath here, pull up on the hood, and there's a little release lever. Now, the engine air filter sits right inside this box here, this plastic housing. This is our air cleaner housing, and we need to open this up by pulling back on these two metal tabs. You can use your finger and just pop them back that direction. Now, there's two little plastic tabs that line up with the bottom part of the housing. All we need to do is separate this and then just pull it kind of away at this angle, and then it will lift up just a little bit. Now, you don't need to pry this all the way up. That's enough so that we can get in here and pull out the old filter. Now, before we put in the new filter, sometimes it's a good idea to reach in here and take out any leaves or debris, or you can also use a little shop vac to suck those out so that our new filter doesn't get contaminated by that dirt and debris that's already in the housing. We're going to use a shop vac because I've got one handy here. Now, cleaning that out with a vacuum is just a little extra step, but that will make your new air filter last longer, especially if there is debris inside. If it's pretty clean, you can just skip that step and drop in the new air filter. I'm using a Fram today. It's a CA10677 is our part number. You just want to match those up and make sure that they are the same size, which these ones are. All right, and then we can take the new air filter and just drop it in the same way that the old one came out. Just make sure that that's fully seated. And that looks good. Now, before we put these clips on, we need to make sure that the tabs down below are lined up. So you see right there, we just need to line that up, press that down, and that should be good. And now we can put the clips back on. And that's it. Very quick and easy job. Definitely something you can do yourself and save quite a bit of money. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up a replacement air filter for your vehicle as well. Now, if you need to change out your cabin air filter, I also have a video on how to replace that in the same vehicle, and I'll get that link in the description for you too. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.